Hi, welcome to Tea with Jann. I got a parcel today and I am very excited to share this with you. Let's crack it open. If you're new around here, I'd love it if you subscribe. I usually do tea-related things. And if you're already my friend, I know it's been a long time since we've had this chat. It's just been, I haven't been really feeling that great, so trying to get through that. So working towards being healthier and thought, you know, throw some lipstick on and make yourself feel better. I don't know. All right, if you've seen the title of this video, you know what we're unboxing today. Let's go. I love the little sticker. I know, I love branding. This is a bit much. Gotta keep it all safe. First look at it, we'll set that aside. And to get the free shipping, I threw in some DAVIDsTEA filters and some s'mores chai. Oh, words. Let's see. And of course, we always get 3 free samples. I didn't remember getting the chance to pick them, but that's fine. I got Sleigh Ride, Midsummer Night's Dream, and Candy Cane Crush. Okay. This is what we really came for. Seriously, the smell, that smell gets me every time. I kind of like it. I know people online, I initially saw them saying that they weren't a fan of this. And maybe it's because I'm a huge Apple product lover and they have been showing off some sort of thing that they have for the new phones. And they were showing off the old retro styled sweaters, and that's what this reminds me of. So I have a little bit of tape up here. It looks like it's 3 different portions. Everything's written on the back. If I do give any spoilers, I am going to warn you a million times beforehand. So let's, a little piece of tape, getting it all together. Okay, let's read the back.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. Whip up some serious holiday magic with our jolliest tea countdown yet. It's filled with 24 warm and cozy loose leaf blends, plus extra surprises that spread cheer like no other. Our favorite part? There's a double portion of loose leaf tea behind every door. Perfect for sharing the tea love. Oh, that's excellent.
Okay, are we ready? I wish you guys should smell this. It smells wonderful. Okay, now are we ready? Oh no. You actually can see. I can see everything. Okay, let me just, we're going to show this exactly how it looks inside. So if you don't want to see this, I'm going to put up on the screen where you have to fast forward to. Okay, this is what it looks like. Like right away, I can see that this here one has it in it. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't even know. Okay. All right. All right. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna look at actually number 1. And then I'm going to try to switch them all around so that I actually can't see what each day is. But let's just take a peek at number 1. So as you can see, the name, you can actually see the name beforehand. And this is called Gingerbread Blondie. It's a fruit infusion. Has all the ingredients. It says it's 1 to 2 perfect spoons. I'm a little unsure, so there's a zipper here. Last year it was see-through and you could actually see the tea, the loose leaf tea. This year, it's not see-through. I like the branding a little bit more, but So this is the second year in a row that they haven't done the little tin cans. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, now I can't wait for December 1st. That smells wonderful. Oh, it's called Gingerbread Blondie. Oh, I might just have to have this. Oh, I'm ruining Christmas. So, that's what they look like. If they hadn't put them that way, and then they slide them in, you would not have been able to see them. So, DAVIDsTEA, come on, get it together. It's most wonderful. This, okay. On the back, of course, it does tell you exactly everything that you're getting in each little thing. What I'm going to do here really quickly is I'm going to go and switch them all around. And because this is a review and you might be curious, I'm going to tell you what those 3 surprises are, because I think that sometimes that's part of people's thought process on if to buy it or not. So this was $40. I'm in Canada and it was $40 purely for review point. Like I said, I will, if you're not interested in knowing the 3 surprises, I will blast it on the screen before it pops up. So let me quickly go through and do this without seeing them. DAVIDsTEA, what were you thinking? They just had to put them upside down. Okay, fading fast here, peeps. All right, so got that all done, and we know that there are 3 surprises. I have identified which ones the surprises are. We are going to now dive into chatting about the surprises, so if that's something that you don't want to know, skip until this point in the timeline of the video. All right, so surprise number 1 comes with number 1. $5 off, $25 purchase. It's only valid December 1st to the 25th, and it does not apply to 24 days of tea, small appliances, or gift cards. And it says that it's for DAVIDsTEA stores, so I would assume not online. That is our prize for the first one. All right, if you want to keep watching, keep watching. Second prize I see is poking out of number 10. Free tea of the day. Come in for a cup on us. No purchase required. Offer valid in DAVIDsTEA stores from December 10th to January 31st, 2020 only. Applies to tea of the day beverages only. Limit 1 free tea per customer. Limited edition beverages, matcha, and tea lattes do not apply. A maximum $2 retail value. So there you have it. December 10th to January 31st. There is no need to open up these early. Unless you want to plan your trip, if you don't live near a DAVIDsTEA. I wonder if this would have been better back here. Look, they could have put that in under there. DAVIDsTEA, let's put that under there. Look at that. Then we would never have seen it. Number 24, of course, is the final one. So let's pull it out in 1, 2, 3. Ooh, 20% off your next loose leaf tea purchase. Offer valid in DAVIDsTEA stores and on the website from January 6th to January 31st. Offer applies to regular priced bulk loose leaf tea from the tea wall only and must purchase 100 grams or 4 ounces or more of the same or different kinds of tea to receive the discount. And then it tells you the code to enter. A minimum retail value of $11.96. There you have it. Okay, guys. I am officially exhausted. I need to go rest. I hope you enjoyed this. And I want to know, are you getting a DAVIDsTEA advent calendar? What advent calendars are you getting? Because I love advent calendars. I'm trying to tie this so it goes right. There we go. Maybe. I am also getting a homemade tea advent calendar from Tea Thoughts. She's on Instagram. Would highly recommend you check her out. I clearly got this one, and I was hoping to get another one or two, maybe, not quite sure. I'm hoping that I'm feeling up to videoing and chatting with you guys every day in the month of December. So yeah, I would love it if you subscribe, and like I said, I want to know, are you guys getting this? What do you think of it? $40 this year. It's cheaper than last year. Last year was $50. I did do a video on that. I also did a video on the history of David's Tea Advent calendars, so I will link that down below. I've gotten one every year, so I can't just not get one. You know, tradition, right? That's, most people have tradition, and tea advent calendars are my tradition. So here we have it. The coloring is actually really growing on me the more I see it. I like the way that it ties. I like the way that it opens and closes. I just really wish that they would have put these in upside down and kind of tuck the little coupons in underneath. But, you know, it's very fun. I love it. I liked the little tins before, but I think this is a great idea as well. If you didn't reuse your tins, it was a little bit wasteful. In previous years, they had included the tea, the perfect teaspoon, but they did not this year. But it's also $10 cheaper for me than last year. I believe last year was $50. And so yeah, and I don't need another teaspoon. I don't know, I kind of like it. I'm very excited. I only snooped, of course, at the #1 and the 3 coupons, and I only did that for you guys that are curious, that are wondering if it's worth it, and maybe that would help put it into perspective or not. So cute. These don't look like they're gonna fall out. I really like it. And yeah, I'm very happy about it. Let me know. I wanna know. Do you guys love it? Do you hate it? What are your thoughts? Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.